crickets, everyone. Yeah, this is cricket. So I'm going to show you about my eating with cricket. It looks like so yummy, everyone. It's very black. It's yummy or not? So you can watch my mouth. Wow. Everyone who can eat this? It is cricket. I think it is yummy. So, it's yummy or not? You can wait for my eating. Wow. Is it chili, everyone? It's already cooked. The cricket already cooked, everyone. So now we can eat. So let's eat with me. Wow. Look at me, everyone. Wow. It tastes so delicious. Everyone, eat with me. It is a grilled cricket, everyone. It's so yummy. Wow. You know, this is the countryside, so countryside have a lot of food for it. We can eat like this, we can eat cricket, we can eat the bird, and then we can eat other food too. I just want to say that my hometown is the countryside, so have a lot of food to eat like this, so we can eat too. It is a cricket, you know, cricket, everyone. Do you like to eat it? For me, I really like this. It's so yummy. Yummy. Have anyone tell me that it is so scare, but I don't scare it because of it really yummy, so I like to eat. For some people, they scare it, but for me, it is not so scare. But I like to eat it because of it is yummy. Which one? This one. Which one? I choose this. It's so yummy. Everyone, eat with me. Wow. Wow. So good with Easter. Good. So good with Easter, everyone. want to ask you that when you see this cricket, you scare it or not? Scare it? But I don't scare it because of it tastes so yummy too. So now, I think it is enough for me, everyone. So, let me say goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. See you for the next video, everyone. Thank you for watching my video too. Goodbye, everyone.